Hello everyone, today's video topic is 6 ways to say hello in Italian. Let's start the video. Our first word is ciao. Most of people knows ciao mean hello and hi, but ciao जो है वो ज़्यादातर फैमिली मेम्बर्स और क्लोज फ्रेंड्स के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है ciao. Ciao mean hello and also used for bye. Ciao. Second word and second way to say hello in Italian is salve. Salve is very informal word. You can use salve for strangers to say hello for strangers. Salve is also used for saying bye in Italian. Salve. Another way to say hello in Italian is buongiorno. Buongiorno. Basically, buongiorno means good morning in Italian. Buongiorno is perfect for both way, formal and informal. You can use for stranger and family members also. We have another way to say hello in Italian. It's buonasera. Buonasera. Buonasera means good evening. You can use buonasera afternoon to say hello everyone in Italian. Next we have bondi. Bondi to say hello in Italian. Bondi is not a common word in Italian, but bondi mean good day. You can use bondi to say hello in any part of the day. In the last, we have very nice word to say hello in Italian. It's ella. Ella. Ella is very informal word you can use for family members and strangers also. Ella. In the last, I have to say if my videos are helpful for you, then don't forget to press subscribe button. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियोस अच्छी लग रही हैं तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. शुक्रिया. चाओ.